Hi everyone, here with my 2012 Hyundai Sonata Turbo. Been trying to fix it since Friday when I ran out of gas. Definitely my fault. And I put gas in it, then the battery seemed to have run down, so we replaced the battery. And here on Sunday morning, uh, trying to still uh, get it to work. Just wanted to give a demo and see if anyone had any suggestions. As you can see, that key symbol inside the car comes on. I think that's called the mobilizer icon. My foot is definitely on the brake pedal. Uh, I've tried it with the key and the key holder. That time I just tried it with the push button. Still hasn't worked. I'd appreciate any insight you could provide. Thank you.